Good morning, everyone. It may appear that I'm coming to you from Paris, but in fact, I'm in Las Vegas. I'm here at the eLearn conference with my colleagues from NC State. I'm so sorry I can't be with you today, but I wanted to share with you a little bit of my background on why I would like to be an at-large delegate. I've served as past chair and chair at NC State University for the past 2 years, and I'm currently the past chair and advisor to the current chair, Jason Painter. Hey, Jason. I started my career as a state employee at UNCW as an SPA back in the day. I was working three-quarter time at the print shop, printing services at UNCW. While there, I changed careers and moved into web design. And then while I was working as a web designer, I studied and used our tuition waivers and earned my master's degree in instructional technology. I'm very excited to have that. With that new career, I was able to advance. I went from UNCW to the North Carolina Information Technology Services offices, where I created the nc.gov website. It was a temporary site, supposed to be up for a couple of years, and it was up from 2004 to 2014. So it seemed to be working pretty well. In that location, I worked with 30 state agencies to pull together that website and worked with developers to make it happen. It was a very exciting time, a 2-year project. And then I applied that master's degree and went to Savannah College of Art and Design, where I worked with teams to create online learning. And that's where NC State found me and recruited me to come to Delta. That's been 10 years ago now. I've loved working with NC State. Every day we do exciting new things with faculty. My job there is to work with teams, leading teams on projects to solve instructional challenges and applying technologies to educational solutions. So that's what I do in the other half of my life. The rest of the time I'm working on behalf of staff. I really believe that our voices can be heard. I believe that folks are willing to listen, and we have the ability to take part in those discussions and share our point of view. As I said, I was SPA, now I'm EHRA non-faculty. Both groups are very important to the universities and institutions of the UNC Staff Assembly, represents all of us, and that's why I'd like to be an at-large delegate. I think that I have a few skills and a little bit of experience in having those conversations and keeping our voices heard. So I hope you will consider me as you vote today. We have lots of great candidates, so I have every confidence that no matter what, we will have an exciting and new year with UNC Staff Assembly and the newly elected officers. Thank you so much. Bye from Vegas.